Hey guys, TechTrav here. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a very long time since I've made a video, but today I figured would be a perfect time to show you how to install Proxmox. Now this isn't going to show you how to configure a server or anything like that. This is just going to strictly be Proxmox. I'm assuming your RAID or your disks are configured the way you like them configured. All the different settings and things in your BIOS is all done. This is simply installing Proxmox. So over here is my server. I'm using a Supermicro, so I have wonderful IPMI. I have a flash drive plugged into my server. That's this generic USB 2.0 drive right here. So I'm going to select that and enter, and Proxmox is going to start to boot. Now for Proxmox, we have basically three options to install. We have our graphical interface, we have our terminal interface, and we have a terminal interface over a serial console. In this case, I'm going to choose graphical. But if you're on like a low bandwidth situation, such as if you're remotely installing this in a data center, the terminal UI is a welcome change. Proxmox introduced this a few versions ago. But since bandwidth isn't an issue, I'm going to go graphical. And chances are, if you're installing this in your home lab, you'll do graphical as well. Right now, Proxmox is going to do its thing to load the installer. If you see some errors in here, that's perfectly normal. Now, I may or may not get DHCP, and that's because of the way my switch is configured. I might have to switch some ports around. All right, we have our end user license agreement. We, of course, read this and we accept it. So target hard disk, this is going to be your main Proxmox drive. In this case, you can see I've already pre-configured RAID, and this 232 gig, really it's 240 gig, this is going to be my Proxmox drive. So I'm going to select that. We'll hit next. United States. Get the appropriate time zone. Set a password. Set our admin email address. We'll do now we will check our NIC. In this case, for some reason, Proxmox isn't finding a connection, but that's okay. That's something I'm going to fix later. I'm going to go ahead and give us a host name. We're going to do PVE01. We're going to set an IP address and our gateway. Proxmox does want a static IP, so that's something to keep in mind. If you're just running DHCP on your network, Proxmox actually wants a static IP. And next. This is always helpful. Automatically reboot after successful installation and install. So now Proxmox is going to go through its installer. It's going to create partitions on the main drive and install. So this will take a few minutes, and we'll fast forward and come back once it's done. All right, we're now in the final stages, so Proxmox installer is going to make the system bootable, and then we should see it reboot here in just a second. All right, and if you see this login screen, it means you're good. In the next video, we're going to talk about going into Proxmox through the web interface and configuring it from there. All right, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos and tutorials, hit that subscribe button. I'm TechTrav. I'll see you later.